We need more. I think we need more. Oof. Okay, hold on. Wait.
Why am I black?
Get down. You chose the color. Get down.
Alright, but it's tough though.
It's stuff. Come on. Oh! Attack! Attack! No! Don't snipe me again.
Wait, just oh! Oh!
Shoot him! Oh my fucking god!
Oh, Mamma Mia!
We just started.
Oh.
We're gonna have to try in game. Go ahead. Go.
Mating season 4.
No.
Get over here! Oh!
Get up. Get. Don't move! Oh yeah, right. If you move, you get off my back.
Haha. Oh, wait.
Is he getting dragged or? Wait, it's the same guy! Hold on! It's the same guy from last time! The one that got killed! The door's stuck! Out of my way, son! He's getting eaten! Come on! He's getting eaten! Look! Uh-oh. You're gonna get killed.
Oh!
What I said. Exactly.
What the fuck? Why did you kill me?
Oh! You weren't dead?
No!
Oh shit! You weren't dead and I stabbed you in the neck.
Oh my fuck.
Alright.
I see how this.
Sorry.
I selected Spearmaster because I want some spears out of my ass. What the fuck did I just say?
We're going through another area. These are gates. I'm pretty sure this is drainage. I do not know the names of the area, but I'm pretty sure this is drainage.
Wait, are we genuinely bacteria?
We're not bacteria, we're slug cats.
All cats are liquid off.
Basically a mix between drainage system. We cool. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, jump. I dare you, jump. Jump on, boy. You don't even reach me. It's up, I'm pretty sure. Slow motion is so good as Rivulet. Holy shit. Oh, that's the axolotl. And he's blocking our only way through. That's a lizard. He's called the axolotl. I'm pretty sure he's called I don't know the actual name of him. That's like his actual name. But the community calls him an axolotl. How can I get him?
If you don't kill him, you're gay.
Okay. Ooh. Genuinely tweaking? Good luck.
You're a fucking fat ass.
Go to the pipe.
Why is the axolotl genuinely tweaking? Like it doesn't work either.
Oh, the scab. Hello, scavenger. Are you like a?
What is that?
Oh, he's friendly.
Are you?
Oh, wait. Scab.
What?
I'm trying to trade with them. Would you like to spear? Yeah. He likes the spear, see? They're friendly. You can actually
kill
befriend
him.
them.
No, I'm kidding. Don't kill him. That's bad.
You're not artificer. You don't need to kill him. If you selected the bomber, you had to kill him.
Why? He hates bombers. He hates Allahu Akbar.
No. He killed your family. He killed your family, and you're trying to get revenge as a bomber. Yeah, that's the lore.
Well, goddamn.
Okay. Oof. Okay, this is the shelter. Bro, let me go. Let me go.
I swear.
Why are we holding hands? Why are we holding hands? Let me go.
Get out!
Oh my fucking god.
Stop!
I'm trying to swallow the shit. Okay, don't hit me now. Don't kill me
I'm
now.
not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm just breaking spears for safety purposes.
Let me swallow that. Let go. There we go. Get up. Axolotl camping. Got him.
I almost killed you.
Nice. Oh no! No!
What? Don't worry, I
You
got
killed
you.
him?
And just once for good measure.
Okay, that's cool.
No. Again.
You blocked my way. Not sure that works. I'll just go down here. You go up there. Oh, I'm close. Oh
Shit.
no. You need to go back. You need to go back. This is the way it's closed. You're gonna need to do parkour.
Who said?
Yeah, the guy is blocking your way. Oh,
Who said?
you can just hold him. Yeah.
Who said? Who decided that?
I tried to hold him, but it didn't work. Go.
Fuck up.
You're so fucking pathetic. Okay? Get up. Let me go!
Oh.
Ooh, yeah, some of your spears and kill that thing. Again. Okay, he's glitching out. Okay, let's go.
Wait,
Not that
be
one.
careful.
Not that
Get
one.
out. Oh, be careful.
Yeah, no, he's dead. He was just trying to pull out. I should not have said that. He's trying to pull. Okay, get down. No,
Motion.
because it's a different. Yeah, you change perspectives when you do this double jump. But I'm gonna let you do this thing. You need to leap to this gap or you die.
What?
Right? Yeah. If you do not do this, you die.
Shit! Oh!
Welcome to the larvas.
I'm gonna kill them.
Are you sure you're gonna kill them or are they gonna kill you? You're drowning.
I died. Did I die?
Oh yeah, you drowned. Alright, alright. Oh. No,
You're gonna
let
die.
me go. I'm so red. I'm gonna need to leave you behind. Hopefully,
I'm so green.
I'm gonna need to leave you behind because these motherfuckers. Oh, you're floating back. You're floating back.
There's no way.
Oh god. I'm so red.
I'm so green.
Okay, you ball. Oh. No, don't feed me to your sons. Leave me alone. I'm so red. Alright, get these motherfuckers off me.
How? I'm dead.
Get these motherfuckers off me, bro. They're sucking me.
Hey, yo!
Alright, they're off. Some of them are off. Almost all of them are off. They're off. Bismillah.
Bismillah, crazy, bro.
Go. We beat. Oh, yes.
And now you become inside.
Oh, there was a shelter here. How lucky.
Now you are inside of me. You're always what?
We're going to another area.
I don't want to out of this.
Just don't sing something copyrighted.
Nah, bro. You're not that popular. Shut up.
It's not just that. It's just annoying to see the copyrighted tag on my videos. It's pretty annoying. Even though I'm not even getting paid. Good night. Flashback. Look, bro, it's our
Fuck you mean there's
it's our mom, bro.
audio.
Look, it's our mom.
I don't. Wait, bro. I'm not even. It's our mom.
Yeah, it's mom.
I couldn't care less.
I don't give a shit about filtering.